Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Using a jack, lighten the load on the suspension arm so that you do not put unnecessary pressure on the thread of the screws when unscrewing. Then, using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the lower screws on the shock absorber. Finish off the process by hand and remove the screw. Using a socket wrench and a 15mm socket, unscrew the upper holding screws. You can now extract the shock absorber. Before reassembly, carefully grease the holding screws in order to facilitate any future disassembly. Position the shock absorber and put the upper holding screws in place. Bring it together by hand, which will leave enough room for you to play with when putting in the lower screw. Then, using a jack to make it easier, put in the lower screw, and fix it in place with a socket wrench. Remove the jack. Now, fix the upper screw in place. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you can put the wheels back on your vehicle, paying careful attention to grease the stud bolts well. Put the car back on the ground and fix the wheels in place correctly. Operation completed.